hakuna mtu atawaheshimu, na ikiwa nyinyi mnaruhusu watu kuingilia nyinyi polepole na pesa na nini na uongo na porojo, nyinyi mwe gangari. Ikiwa mtu ameleta kitu ya kukula, wewe kula tu. Lakini hiyo ni shauri yake. Wewe ni
The acting Orange Democratic Party leader, Honorable Senator Oburu Odinga, has today met ODM leaders in Mombasa County, where he clarified the party's position regarding its recent cooperation with President William Ruto's administration. Oburu was accompanied by several senior ODM figures, held a closed-door meeting with the county leadership led by Governor Nasir. The gathering aimed to review the party's direction following the passing of former ODM leader, the late Right Honorable Raila Odinga. During the meeting, Senator Oburu explained that ODM's decision to join hands with President William Ruto under the broad-based government was primarily to ensure national stability and prevent the country from sliding into political chaos. He emphasized that the cooperation was motivated by patriotism and the need to uphold peace during a...
Tuliingia kwa serikali tufanye, serikali ilikuwa karibu kuanguka. Lakini tukasema hii serikali ikianguka, ile chaos ambayo itatokea itaumiza wale watoto wetu ni jenzia ambayo walikuwa wana agitate. Ile kuagitate walikuwa wanasema agenda yetu sisi wa ODM. Yale maneno yote walikuwa wanasema ndio sisi tulikuwa tunasema wakati tulikuwa tunabeba sufuria kwa vichwa. Kweli au sio kweli? Lakini serikali kuanguka bila uchaguzi inapatia nafasi Army kuingia. Army ikiingia, nyinyi nyote, sisi wote, sisi wa viongozi tutaenda. Hata hao vijana ni bunduki tu, tip tip tip. Na tutaki bunduki, tunataka demokrasia. Sisi ni chama ya demokrasia. Na
delicate political period. However, Oburu was categorical that this cooperation should not be mistaken for political endorsement. I stated, our engagement with President William Ruto's administration does not automatically translate into ODM supporting its re-election bid in 2027. Once the broad-based government concludes its mandate, the party will convene to discuss and decide on its next political direction.
Na nyinyi mkugangari, you can either form the government or you will be in the government. But we are not going to be a party which will be out of government. Sasa hiyo ndio msimamo.
The sentiment by Oburu Odinga come at a time when President Ruto and his allies have been making overjust Raila Odinga's political pace, hoping to consolidate support from Nyanza and other ODM strongholds. Political analysts view Oburu Odinga's statement as a significant signal that ODM intends to maintain its independence even as it participates in the current government framework. The assurance also comes as the party prepares for internal restructuring and leadership realignment ahead of the 2027 general elections.